I have a 2016 Cadillac XTS, and we're going to show you how to change out the rear tail light there. This tail light obviously has been discolored. Maybe you have one that's broken, maybe you have one that doesn't work anymore. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do this job, and how long it's going to take is approximately about 30 minutes. There's the new tail light. That's the right rear. If you guys need the tail light, I can go ahead and put the product in the description below. We'll put it in below, and down right here in this little tiny left-hand corner here, if you guys can see, it says products. You'll be able to go ahead and purchase it through there. Couple things you're gonna need: T40, a T40. So first thing we're gonna do here, when we get in here, you're gonna see these two tabs here, one here and one over here. I've already taken this one off. All you need is a little flathead screwdriver, and what you can do is take the flathead screwdriver, you're going to stick it right here and pop off that little plastic tab. Now behind that is a T40. A T50 will also work, but the T40 is what I used to test it out to make sure that it was working. So here's the T40. I'm going to go ahead and take it out on this side. Remove that. And then on this side here. This one's a little bit harder. I got to put the camera down. Take these out. All right, now once you got that out, you are simply going to, once you got those out, what you're going to do is you're going to pop this off. And this just comes off just like that. All right. Now, on this side here, you have to take off this weather stripping. The weather stripping's right here. You guys are going to take that off. So it's all the way up here past this mark here. Okay. And now you can use our pry tool. Put the description and the link below. You guys can order these off my product list down below. Pry tools. Very cheap. Work great. So now we have access to the rear tail light, and there's a nut here and a nut up here on the top left, right behind this spring. So we'll get that. I believe it's an 8mm, but we'll check that out now. It is an 8mm. I just confirmed that. So all you're going to do is just take your 8mm wrench. You don't need a socket. You can just use a wrench, and then boom, take that right off there. Top one up here, gonna have to use the open side. Get that off there. Alright, that's out. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the tail light. Simply remove the tail light. Oh, this is... Alright, so you have to like twist it and lift it up at the same time. And we have a number amount of... You push that red tab. I don't know if you guys can see that now. There we go. Alright, so you basically push that red tab up. On this one, you push it up. And then, on the back side here, you see this little red thing? You're going to push that, lift that up. And then you're going to take this black tab and lift it up also. and that comes out just like that. This one is just a push and pull, and there that is. So, thing. So, other than that, let's get the new one out. There's a new one. Disengaged from the plastic. Now these new ones need this right here placed in. This is your LED. You have to remove that. It's just a twist and a lock. It comes off the old one. This is not really working out for me that well. Alright, there we go. It's in now. A little bit of difficulty, but it's in. So we'll snap this one in here. That's in, and then we'll snap our other one in. Well, these things are giving me all kinds of difficulty today, huh? Lord, this is not fun. Come on, work with me. All right. Once that's in, go ahead and feed it down in there with the wires. Make sure that plastic piece there is where it needs to be. Behind the bumper. Alright, lines up good, lines up nice. Now all we're going to do is simply screw in all of our bolts that we just took out. Before we bolted in, I just want to go ahead and tested it. Got the turn signal on. So we're going to go ahead and bolt it back in now. Alright. As previously stated, just go ahead and take your nut right there. Hand tighten it. We'll go ahead and put the wrench on it after. And then the one up here behind the tab here. We'll put our wrench on it here. Socket side. Open-ended side. Down here. Alright. As previously stated, just go ahead and take your nut right there. Hand tighten it. We'll go ahead and put the wrench on it after. And then the one up here behind the tab here. We'll put our wrench on it here. Socket side. Open-ended side. Down here. Alright, that's done. Put our molding back together. Put our trim back on. Down here. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Really appreciate you guys. Snap that in there. Go ahead and put the bolts back in. these bolts right here. And I appreciate everybody for watching. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.